I thank you, no members.
Uma muthenya uria kamitii ya hamwe mbunge-ini iria yumbitwo ni ambunge a kamitii cia urimi na wonjoria mbunge-ini yuma itemania riboti igie uthuthuria wa cukari bururiini mbere ya mbunge thutha wa thikũ 10 cia guthikiriria aira kuma honge citiganite. Na riboti-ini iyo aikariri giti a kamitii iyo mauga ati kuringana na uthuthuria wao gukinyagia riu gutire cukari unyitiganite na thumu muthemba wa mercury bururiini, no ati uthuthuria makiria no urathie na mbere.
So far, from the preliminary laboratory tests and ongoing analysis, no traces of mercury have been found. However, investigations on the same and different samples are ongoing.
No ciugo icio ati uthuthuria no urathie na mbere nicio cionekire kurungurira ambunge amwe aria maugire ati riboti iyo ti nginyaniru.
The recommendation the people are shouting about is that so far from the preliminary test and ongoing analysis, no traces of mercury has been found. However, the Speaker, we have gone to school. However, investigations on the same are ongoing. The Speaker, that is not conclusive. Speaker, the sentence from the beginning of however, the moment you have used the word however, the Speaker, the moment you say however, investigations on the same are ongoing, Mr. Speaker, the question as to whether mercury is found in the sugar in the market is not conclusive.
Ambunge acio makiuga ati mekwirigiririre kuheo riboti nginyaniru igie waagiriru wa cukari ucio niguo ona kunina nganja meciria-ini ma muingi.
Those people were supposed to avail the sugar with mercury or without mercury. Then the committee determines that the sugar that was spoken about does not have mercury. And that is the report we expected here. What the committee should have asked us, Mr. Speaker, and two of them, was to extend time to investigate beyond the sugar that was presented to them. But Mr. Speaker, listen to the committees. It is just a joke. This report is just a joke of the highest order.
The issue of whether the sugar in the country is laced with mercury or not has been answered in our report, but the item, however, is as a result of so many other samples which continue to come to KEPS laboratories and which need to be tested. We cannot conclusively say, and we are not even sure those other tests, those other samples that are going to be brought, and because this is an ongoing exercise.
Maina wa Wairigi, Inooro TV.